Namaskar, I Ashok Kumar welcome you all to Uday India Digital. Today I will tell you about the content of Uday India this week. The cover story this week is on an analysis of Bihar election, that is NDA versus Mahagathbandhan versus Jan Swaraj Party. The writers who contributed include Shekhar Iyer, RSN Singh, Nilab Krishna, Rakesh Kumar, Manoj Dubey and Annapurna Jha. Prakash Nanda in his column Right Angle Answers to the Poser, is Indian politics increasingly becoming a family business? Uday India Bureau underscores that when UPI began, the idea was to allow banks and fintechs to innovate freely, offering users multiple platforms to transact effortlessly. But over time, this open field has turned into a near monopoly, where two major players, PhonePe and Google Pay, account for the lion's share of the market. Pradeep Krishnan in his article examines how Kerala's once admired education system has been turned into a political tool for Marxists. Amartya Sinha maintains that as the US president has opened up a Pandora's box by deciding to restart nuclear tests, now is the time for India to master the much awaited hydrogen bomb capability. Suresh Manchanda explains why India's rice empire is under pressure from global oversupply and buyer shifts. Jagmohan Thaken emphasizes that concrete steps are urgently needed to curb the menace of drug trafficking and illegal sales across the country. Sarath Das in his column Futurology highlights that the data-driven business strategy moves a company from being reactive to proactive, letting them anticipate market changes, understand customer behavior and optimize operations with a lot more precision. Viral Desai in his column EcoWatch explains why PM Narendra Modi is not just the Pradhan Sevak but also the Pradhan Paryavaran Senani. Finally, Deepak Kumar Rath in his column Editor's Note writes that in 2025 Bihar stands at a crossroads. One path leads back to the known familiar terrain of populist politics. The other points towards an aspirational future of empowered development. With this, I wrap up this edition. For more news, stay tuned to Uday India.